Hey guys, welcome back to the Gossip Lounge with Pritash. I hope you're all subscribed to our channel. So today we are going to talk about the 44-year-old teenager Stana, whose real name is Desmond Chideme. He appeared at Mbari Magistrates Court facing allegations of assaulting his daughter's 9-year-old friend and the mother. He denied all these charges when he stood before the magistrate. So apparently he was unhappy with how his daughter felt when they were playing, and he confronted and assaulted Leila and her mother.